Turkey has grown to be a popular location for dental tourism recently and has been attracting people from around the world with its premium but affordable dental treatments. The state-of-the-art clinics offer highly skilled dentists and reasonable rates. Turkey has positioned itself as an ideal alternative for patients who are seeking treatment for their dental needs overseas. One of the major reasons that Turkey has grown into a center of dental tourism, the price of the treatment. Procedures for dental performed in Turkey are much less costly than countries such as Canada, the United States, Canada, and UK. Patients are urged to go to Turkey for savings on procedures like the use of dental implants, veneers, as well as teeth whitening. Additionally, in addition to the low price of treatment, Turkey offers a wide array of dental services that satisfy the demands of the patients. It doesn't matter if it's cosmetic and orthodontics or more general dental treatment, the patients will find many treatments offered that are available in Turkey. A lot of dental centers are located in Turkey also provide complete packages including accommodation for airport transfer, accommodation, and tours of the city for patients that are traveling from outside the country. In addition, the high quality of dentistry is also high. The quality of dental care in Turkey is comparable to the highest standards in the world. Turkish dentists are trained specialists who stay abreast of the most recent technological advancements in dentistry and methods. The majority of dentists from Turkey are also fluent in English proficiently, making the process easier for foreign patients to talk with their dentist service providers. Another reason to seek dental treatments in Turkey is the short wait periods. In places such as the UK, the patients have waited for several months for dental appointments or treatments. In Turkey, on the other hand, people typically get appointments within days and receive their treatment performed in a speedy manner. In the end, the Turkish dental market is a perfect blend of affordable, high quality, and ease for people who seek dental treatment. You may be looking to upgrade your smile through aesthetic dentistry, or you're seeking a routine appointment. Turkey has everything you want to have the smile of your dreams at a reasonable price. As a result, Turkey has emerged as the top tourist destination, with world-class dental facilities for a reasonable price. Through its experienced dentists, advanced clinics, and a variety of treatments, Turkey has become a preferred option for people who want top-quality dental treatment with a fraction of expense. Find your budget-friendly smile with a visit to Turkey and discover the benefits of dental tourism for yourself.